Today's cryptic crossword clue is last lecture, of course, to teach overworked pupils. And this clue comes to us from one of our members, Bluejay. Thank you, Bluejay. I think there are levels within this clue. I think there are different techniques, some of which are on the easier side and some of which are on the harder side. Most of them are actually substitutions, which I know people find harder. People find letter manipulation easier. The clue starts off with some letter manipulation with a selector, but from then on, it's all substitution, but some substitution is easier than other substitution in this clue. So there's a selection indicator, and then there's a kind of straight substitution where you're looking for a synonym, and there's a stretchy substitution where one concept can be replaced with another concept, but it's a little bit stretchy. That's actually our definition. And then there's kind of a hidden substitution where you might not even notice that some words belong together and can be replaced. I want to start with the definition, our stretchier substitution, which is overworked pupils. Our answer will kind of mean overworked pupils in a stretchy way. Let's turn to the wordplay, which is last lecture, of course, to teach. Last lecture is the selector. We take the last letter of the word lecture, an E, and then we're just down to substitutions. And the hidden substitution is of course. And on the surface, we're thinking about some kind of university course or classroom course or something like that. But of course means something just in and of itself. It means yes. So now we have EYES, and then we need a substitute for to teach. What about the word train, giving us the words eye strain, which can represent overworked pupils?